Here's some breaking input at top of 1 p.m. on Times Now. Congress sources are indicating that the party leadership has asked candidates to visit counting centers. I don't know what it means. Niyamika is joining us for more on that. Yes, Niyamika.
Well, we have seen that how the Congress party has now started blaming the Election Commission of India, and for that reason it is the Congress General Secretary Jairam Ramesh who has also given a complaint to the Election Commission for showing late figures on its official website. And now it is the Haryana Congress leaders who have now come forward, and they have also started planning to raise their voice, raise their concerns regarding this entire matter, as it is being informed to us by our sources that the three senior Congress leaders, which also includes the former Chief Minister of Haryana Bhupender Singh Hooda, the Congress party's MP Dipinder Hooda, as well as the PCC President Uday Bhan, all of these three leaders are going to visit several of these counting centers where the Congress party is having a tough fight with the BJP, as there is a very low margin on these particular seats, and for that reason now these three leaders are going to visit these counting centers through a helicopter, and they are basically trying to make raise a concern by saying that it is because of the Election Commission's desperate attempts that these figures are being showing late, as it is being claimed by the Congress leaders, Congress party's insiders, that on 10 of these seats the Congress party is clearly winning, but on the official website it is still being shown that the counting is underway, and for that reason all of these leaders, the three leaders, are going to visit these counting centers, which also includes the seat, I would also like to mention here, which includes the seat of Panchkula, Indri, Narwana, Thanesar, Adampur, Dadri, Kannauр, Bhavani Kheda, as well as Hodal. And Hodal is that particular seat from where the PCC President of the Haryana Congress, Uday Bhan, is contesting, and
right.
In that particular seat also we have seen that how the Congress party is not
right.
leading.
So far we've only heard conspiracy theories, at least concerns being expressed by the top leadership of the Congress party, Jairam Ramesh, Pawan Khera. The candidates are yet to speak out. Let's see what happens. Deepti, before